Keep watching this video if you want to be paid right now with no skills or prior experience, because I have 4 different websites to show you, each of which is available globally and requires no money to get started. As always, be patient and don't skip ahead so you don't miss any of them. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Now, before I show you these websites, I want to tell you that they will not make you rich in any manner, shape, or form. They are, however, a terrific method to earn some money quickly and without putting in a lot of work. However, for those of you who want videos on longer term tactics, stay tuned because I will be publishing videos with ideas that will supply you with revenue for a much longer length of time soon enough. With that out of the way, the first of the 4 sites I will be showing you today is TreasureTrooper.com, which is one of the oldest, most lasting, and perhaps one of the greatest make money online websites out there. The first thing that you will notice is that it looks old-fashioned. This isn't a coincidence because, as you can see at the bottom of the page, this site has been around since 2005, making it one of the oldest making money online sites available. Because of this, you can be confident that it is legit. Otherwise, it would have vanished long ago. To the left, you can see that members of this website have earned nearly $8 million in payment proof, which you can see by clicking just below. For those wondering, this site is available in some countries around the world, so it is most likely worldwide. As far as what you can do to get paid on here, it has a wide variety of options which you can divide into 3 categories, so to speak: offers, surveys, and games. You may select from a variety of offers such as filling out forms, receiving samples, earning money, running searches, and completing activities to discover which ones appeal to you the most. Even if you don't like them, doing them will earn you money. As stated below, take 8 daily cash surveys available every day for up to $1 each. Visit our unique survey panel for dozens of extra paid survey opportunities. So for every survey, you will get paid $1, which isn't a lot of money, but it is a lot more than other websites, which is the most significant part for us. Games are also a nice option and they can actually be fun. Believe it or not, if you don't have a lot of time, you can try referring some people here to earn some passive income, but overall, I would recommend other sites because make money online sites don't pay very well and I don't think they are worth the trouble. To get started, you will need to establish an account, which you can do right here. I won't go over it anymore since I am certain you will be able to handle it all on your own. The second site we will be looking at today is called Surveya.com, and as you might have guessed by now, this one pays you to complete various surveys, which is exactly what it says on their homepage. It also shows us that it is available all over the world, which is very important to us. More information is available down below, which I will get to in a minute. As you can see, we send paid surveys in euros, which may be converted into PayPal or Amazon gift cards. We value your opinion and you will be compensated for expressing it. To the right, you can see that in addition to the paid surveys, they have some interesting features as well. Find out how to make money on the internet or how to save time while maintaining the same lifestyle, and lots of other interesting news, smart solutions, and funny videos await you. But of course, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this video. Returning to the video, they actually have some information on how to make money online and other cool stuff. So it is not just a paid survey site per se. You can see how you can get paid, and PayPal is available for this website, as is usually the case, along with other options in case you aren't a big fan of PayPal. If you want to see all the many ways you may get paid, simply click on Discover all the awards right below. First and foremost, this website is available in 123 countries across the world, so we are talking about a site that works no matter where you're coming from, exactly as I promised. You can register from any of the 5 continents. The user profile and surveys are in the language of the country you live in. See the list here. And if that wasn't enough, the site will show you surveys in the language of the country you are coming from. So if you're not from the US or anywhere else and English isn't your native language, or you simply don't know it that well, it doesn't matter, which is a very nice addition that I don't think many sites have. There are 2 million registered users, indicating that this is pretty popular. On the right, we can see that over 1 million euros have been redeemed thus far, paid out via PayPal, Amazon, Zalando, Decathlon, Skrill, and Paysa. So, not only is this site available internationally, but it also offers a variety of payout choices for you to select from. To get started making money here, simply return to this page and click sign up for Surveya right now. From there, just fill in your information and you are ready to go. PrizeRebel.com is the third site on my list today, and as you can see right here, you can sign up in 10 seconds and start making money online right now by completing various surveys. PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Steam, and eBay all provide hundreds of brand name gift cards for direct bank payments as seen below. Gift cards from PayPal and Visa. This is fantastic because you have a choice. So, if you prefer to get paid in cash, that is great, but you can also choose a gift card, with Google Play, Amazon, and Roblox gift cards being the most popular options. Below is further information on how this works. They are seeking people who want to take surveys, get points, and then trade those points for cash. It is that easy. Now, a really unique and great aspect on this side is that some people have gotten pretty good items for free. The last item we noticed on their homepage is that they are featured on Trustpilot, Survey Police, SiteJabber, and Insider. Obviously, you are not going to obtain them quickly, but there is a potential that is a pretty fantastic addition to this site in my opinion. Overall, it is a fantastic website that is accessible from anywhere around the world. To get started, input your information here and click on Start Making Money. Or if you prefer, you may sign up with just one click via Facebook. The final site on my list is one that I mentioned in my previous video, but for those of you who may have missed it, the site in question is called surveytime.io. This is yet another great site for earning money by completing surveys, and as you can see on Trustpilot, it has some of the best reviews out there. Overall, I would recommend combining this site with the other 3 I showed you to maximize your earnings, but since I have already covered it, I won't go into too much detail. I do hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.